Okay, today we are going to learn about facts and opinions. So your learning target for today is that you will be able to identify the difference between facts and opinions after our lesson. So let's talk a little bit first about what a fact is. Facts are proven, true, or real. On this poster there's an example that says bats come out only at night. Now I can look that up in a book and I can see that that is true. Bats do only come out at night. Or I can go out during the day and I will not see any bats. So the thing about facts is that they are proven true. Some different things that you will see in facts are quantities. You'll see numbers, events, times, and dates. For example, Valentine's Day is February 14th. Now, can that be proven? Yes, I can go get a calendar. I can turn to February 14th and I can see that yes, Valentine's Day is on February 14th. Times. School here at Jefferson starts at 8:05 in the morning. That can be proven because when I'm sitting here at school in the morning, when the bell rings, I can look at my watch and it is indeed 8:05. Okay, opinions is what someone thinks or believes. Like you might believe that jack-o'-lanterns are scary. That's your opinion. You'll find words when you're describing opinions, you'll see words or hear words like bad and best, think, like I think butterflies are pretty. But not everybody might feel the same way. So when you see an opinion, it is what you feel, believe, or think.
Welcome to Fact and Opinion. You didn't like that? Welcome to Fact or Opinion. I have two contestants with me today. Please tell them your name.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Douglas, contestant number 1.
And contestant number 2.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Arnstorff.
All right, what Mrs. Douglas and Mrs. Arnstorff will be doing is deciding between a fact or an opinion. Ladies, I am going to read you a card such as this one. And you, if you know a fact or if it's an opinion, you're going to hit the buzzer, or the bell, I guess.
Just like that.
Just like that, and that will be the person that gets to answer it. And I'd like you to tell me why it's a fact or why it's an opinion.
Got it.
Are you ready?
Ready.
All right. Your first question. Roses have thorns on their stems. Oh, Mrs. Arnstorff, quick with the hand.
That would be a fact.
A fact, and you are right.
Because I could prove that there are thorns on a rose. I could look at a rose and see that there are thorns on it.
Nice job. Point for Mrs. Arnstorff. Sorry,
Yay!
Mrs. Douglas. All right, your next question. Here we go. Dogs are my favorite kind of animal. Mrs. Douglas.
Opinion.
Yes.
Because dogs are not my favorite kind of animal, so my opinion is different. So I think the word favorite says that that's an opinion.
You got it. 1 point, Mrs. Arnstorff. 1 point, Mrs. Douglas. This will be the deciding point. Your next question. Blue is my favorite color. Ooh, quick hand. Mrs. Arnstorff.
Opinion.
You got it.
Because the word favorite, you know what? It's not really my favorite color, but it could be Mrs. Douglas's favorite color. Or it could be somebody else's favorite color, but you know what? It's not everybody's favorite color.
You're right. You can't prove it.
Congratulations.
Now, good job, my contestants. Can someone, Mrs. Douglas, remind them what a fact is?
A fact is something that can be proven true.
Mrs. Arnstorff, what's an opinion?
An opinion is the way someone feels, or the way they think, or the way they believe, and you can't prove an opinion.
All right, nice job on fact or opinion. Okay, so second graders, you just watched them play a fact and opinion game, and now what you're going to do when this video is over, you are going to get the paper that says agree to disagree, and you're going to read the story, and you're going to decide and see if the sentence at the bottom is a fact or an opinion. You just have to circle the F or the O. F for fact, O for opinion. And if you get done with that, you can turn it in, and then we have a game right below this video that says Arthur's fact and opinion. And you are going to play that, and you can only do that if you get your paper done though, okay? All right, go do what you're supposed to.